Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to sign out of the Amazon Music app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by KahindoTech. They're a very eco-friendly brand. Most of their goods are made from recycled or repurposed material. They use production material and facility that release the least amount of toxins into the environment and practically produce zero emission. If you care about the environment and have a sense of fashion, shop at KahindoTech. I have their link in my video description. Click their link in my video description and check them out and let me know what you think. All right, let's get back to Amazon. To sign out of the Amazon app, first launch the app like I have here. Once you have it launched, start from the browse page. Look on the bottom right left hand corner. Click over here where it says browse. Once you're there, look on the upper right hand corner. Do you see these three dots up there? Tap on those and a menu will appear from the bottom. Okay, once that comes up, do you see where it says settings? Click on that. Okay, you take the settings page. Once here, scroll all the way down, and then you see where it says sign out. Tap on that, and then it says, are you sure you want to sign out? Music downloading from this app will be clear and must be re-downloaded. Music downloaded from this app will be clear and must. So it will basically clear out all the music that you have downloaded. Okay. Click on where it says sign out, but pay attention to this warning. Okay. Click on sign out. There you go. That's how you can sign out of the Amazon Music app. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Definitely don't forget to check out KahindoTech. I have their link in my video description. It's underneath the clothing and shoes. Click on that link and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching the video and like the video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe.